Hey everybody, Talamander here. I lost out on tens of thousands, if not $100,000 from my Katana course, and I am going to show you how and why and dig into all of that. So if you stick around to the end of this video, you're gonna see my plans for building out an even better course with so many great features, including dedicated coaching and more, but stick around to the end to figure all that stuff out. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so here's the deal. Back when I created the Katana course, it was 2019 or 2020. I made the Katana course with the sole intention of selling it and creating some revenue so I could afford to make more free YouTube videos and also paid courses. I sold it on a platform called udemy.com. Many of you have heard of that website. In fact, many of you probably bought the Katana course on there. Now, I had over 3,000 students and hundreds of positive reviews, which I'm extremely grateful for. And if you purchase the course, you can still watch it on Udemy, even though it's not there anymore. You always will have lifetime access to the program on that platform. Now, around April of 2021, I decided to take my Katana course off of Udemy and host it for free here on YouTube. Now, there's two reasons I did that. Number one, I wasn't making that much from it anyways. Out of my 3,000 students selling it at a $20 price point, do the math there, I only made $1,200 due to the cuts that Udemy takes from its creators. So really, it wasn't much money at all considering all the time and effort I had put into that. And I had started to build another business, so I knew I wasn't gonna have time to promote that course or even create that much free content here on YouTube. So fast forward to just a few weeks ago, I decided to take the Katana course off of YouTube completely and start selling it on www.katanacourse.com, which is my own website. And simply put, I'll be getting a much larger percentage of the cut from this platform. Now, this decision was met with confusion and even anger in some, which I somewhat expected because this is YouTube. And that being said, if you purchased the course before, again, you still have access to it on Udemy. And even if you completed it while it was free, if you can prove that to me, hop on my Discord and I'll give you access to the new one. I'm not here to bleed my community dry of funds, but simply put, I'm here to make YouTube and making Blender content a sustainable future. I want to build a larger team where we can consistently deliver high quality free Blender content as well as paid courses to further your learning and knowledge. And there's going to be some people out there that don't like that decision, and that's okay. They can have their opinions over there. Anyway, I didn't feel quite right just charging for the Katana course again, especially more than I ever have before, even though it is well worth it. So I decided to beef this up and offer something that I've never offered before, which is one-on-one dedicated coaching. Essentially, if you have a problem with this course, you're gonna have access to a private Discord community where there will be dedicated coaches ready to answer your questions to make sure you don't get stuck. Right, this Katana program is about taking you out of tutorial purgatory, which is this concept of only being able to model the donuts, the katanas, the anvils, the things you watch on tutorials. Now, that being said, I love Blender Guru. I think he's an excellent teacher, way better than I am. Not saying he encourages tutorial purgatory, but this is something that new users often fall into themselves. So this Katana course, you can go to katanacourse.com and read everything that this program comes with and learn more about it. If you want to support me, it's a great way to do this because all of the revenue received from this is going to go directly into creating more free and paid Blender content. So we have a history of doing giveaways in my private Discord, right? We've literally given away drawing tablets, Steam gift cards that I have paid for out of my own pocket. I took the revenue generated from Udemy and put it right back into the community. So go hop on the Discord, talk to some people that have been here for a while, then they can tell you all about it. Link down in the description below. Make sure to join the private Discord. Would love to see you there. We have a ton of great artists. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, what's next for the future of this YouTube channel? Well, it's been a while since I posted before this video, and I'm actually working on a much larger Blender course right now where we go through how to create more game-ready assets. I love looking at game-ready assets because not a lot of other channels do it. And simply put, there's some misconceptions in the industry. There's a lot of elitists, gatekeepers out there. I'm sure if you've been around the Blender block a time or two, you've met them. They're everywhere. And I'm all about breaking down those barriers and making it as easy as possible for a novice Blender user to create the art and the assets they want to use in their next projects. So we're currently in the middle of creating this very beefy program but also working on some great free content as well. So go ahead and comment down below what you would like to see next in form of a free tutorial or maybe another modeling jam video, whatever it is. Let me know down in the description below. Would love to get to work on that. And apart from that, really hope you enjoyed this like garage style vlog here. I haven't done much of these, but if you like it, I am down to be recording much more, you know. Ooh, my tripod, here's my tripod, by the way. It's not very good. It's a pretty cheap one, but it just broke. There's also one other thing I wanted to mention to you, which is we're working on a VR game. And when I say we, you know, I have my business here, which I'm not going to talk too much about in this one. Maybe you guys want to hear more about it later. But we've hired a developer who I've known many years and met actually kind of through this YouTube channel in a weird way. But yeah, we're working on a VR program. And we'll share more on that soon as we're almost done with the minimum viable prototype. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you soon. This is just the beginning of the beginning. This is just the end of the beginning for this channel. We're about to enter in a new phase of content creation of YouTube, of Blender tutorials. And frankly put, if you're not excited, you should be. If you like Blender, that is. Anyways, we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.